if we say, what other thing can she be in of? We can say a pubel. What's a pubel?
I don't know.
A dustbin. The cat is in the dustbin. We can say that the cat does goes in the dustbin sometimes.
Yes.
So a chat est dans la poubelle. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see what next. So did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read this? Let's see. Oh, where did it go? So let's see. Can you read this?
Dans ma routine quotidienne, je vais à l'école et le matin, l'après-midi, je vais me devoir à la bibliothèque. Le soir, je vais souvent au café avec ma amie. J'aime lire des livres sur les plages et la montage. C'est qui m'inspire beaucoup.
Okay. You did a very good job of trying to read it. Correct? You did a very good job. You could get most of the words like don, ma, ruti, koti, diya. That was correct. Je vais. That was correct. Now, if you see here, a, you said a la école. There is no
Hola école.
a.
Hola école.
No. So what we have to do is le apostrophe, right? Le apostrophe equal. So I say leko. So you pronounce it together. Like this won't be le après-midi, it will be l'après-midi. So this is all also what we will be working on in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
So any other word that you thought that you could not pronounce it, just say कि over here again there was another word. Je vais souvent avec, oh sorry, je vais souvent au café avec mes amis. Because S and A sounds, so that's Z, mes amis. Je lis des livres sur les plages et les montages.
ये है लाइव क्लास है जो क्लास कराते हो उनकी रिकॉर्डिंग आ रही है.
Okay.
Saki, now QUE is key. Saki, miss pair, book. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But we'll work on this. I will give you a good pronunciation sheet that can help you in pronunciating. But you have to learn. You have to give 15 minutes every day to learn, to just read that sheet. 15 minutes or however time you take, but that sheet is important because you know how to pronounce each and every word.
Ma'am, if I get time, then only because I come back from the school at 3:30 and then I take a quick nap and wake up at 6 and then I have a class then.
Okay, but if we have a class, then obviously you have to read it in the starting or beginning of the class every day, every class. So that is how we can improve.
Okay, ma'am.
What other things we have? Structure sentences. You did make sentences which I like. Correct? Applying vocabulary and stuff. So that was this. Now I have created, once again, I'll just stop sharing the screen.
Yeah.
I have created a quiz for you.
Ma'am, on which website on which thingy?
On what thing? Sorry, I can't.
Like on quizzes, on Bookit.
I have used Copilot. I am become a modern teacher right now.
ये देखो ये ना लाइव क्लास
modern teachers teaches on Bookit or that. You know?
ठीक है ये टाइम आप
Bookit
देख
on
चेक कर
quiz
सकते हो
or
यहाँ पे भी टाइम
quizzes.
डेट आपको दिख
I
रहा
have
है.
not what do you say, tried it ever, but I will try it. You can send me a link of what that app is, and I can.
Ma'am, you can. It's not I don't really use the app because I don't understand the structure of the app. I just use the website on Safari or Google.
ये नितिन मित्तल स्टूडेंट.
Okay. Now let me share the quick quiz that I have made. Just 5 questions.
Ma'am, can just share your screen and see? Can I just see because I don't have the phone.
Can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now. So which ending is used for regular er verb in the je form? You have 4
ER and ma'am E.
correct. Next, which is the correct conjugation for finir for the nu form?
For the new form,
Mm-hmm.
it would be the third one.
Okay. Next, which of the following is il or el for avoir?
This is ONT.
Okay. Now, how do you make a plural for un livre? How do you make it to plural?
A livre.
Mm-hmm.
I put S.
Okay, but which one? You have 5
Third.
options. Okay. Now here, what does inside means? Which preposition means inside?
Inside. I think don or devon. I'm confused.
Which one? Devant or don?
I'm confused in between those two.
Okay, you can take your time. Think properly. We are not doing Kaun Banega Crorepati. You don't have a tick, 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 tick.